Begin the harness replacement by removing the wiring protection from the handlebar area. Unplug the headlight, brake sensor, and display from the bike. This is your main wiring harness. This is what we're going to remove. If you're having trouble removing the grommet, you can carefully use a flathead screwdriver to help pry it out. Next, remove the seat. For a full tutorial on how to remove the seat, please refer to the link below. Cut the zip ties in this area, making sure not to cut any wires. Remove the harness from the bundle. Your main harness connector is this large plug here. Go ahead and unplug it. This harness will now be pulled through the frame. A helpful trick is to take a piece of wire, or even string, and loop it around the connector. Then tape it securely to the connector. It's not complicated, just an extra step that will make this job much easier. Now, feed the harness through the frame opening while pulling from the opposite side. As you pull the harness out, the string will remain in place inside the frame. This string will help you pull the new harness back through. Take your new main wiring harness and prepare to feed it through the frame. It will pass through the rubber grommet opening. Attach the string to the new harness connector and tape it securely. Before plugging anything in, make sure to route the wiring cleanly and properly through the frame. Finish routing the harness at the front of the bike. Start at the headlight, passing the harness under the brake sensor wires. Make sure the wire connectors are correctly aligned before connecting them. Reconnect the brake sensor connectors, carefully aligning the pins. The green cable reconnects the display. The yellow cable connects to the throttle. Organize all the cables together as you begin bundling them again. Use the same wiring protection on the harness you just installed. It's very important to plug both connectors in straight. If you bend one of the pins and it does not seat properly in the pinhole, it can trigger error 30. It's common for a pin to become bent on the main harness. Line up the notch and make sure you're inserting the connector straight. Do not insert it at an angle. Make sure it goes in straight. Wrap everything up and secure the bundle with zip ties.